Artificial intelligence is now decoding the genetic language of the brain, offering a revolutionary perspective on how our neural architecture has evolved over millions of years. By applying deep learning models to genetic data, scientists are uncovering both shared and unique regulatory mechanisms that define brain cell types across species. This breakthrough not only deepens our understanding of brain evolution but also opens promising avenues for disease research. However, as with any powerful technology, AI-driven genetic analysis comes with ethical considerations and challenges that must be carefully managed. A recent study from a Belgian research team, published in Science, demonstrates how AI can map the genetic switches that control gene activity in brain cells from humans, mice, and chickens. These regulatory elements determine which genes are active in specific cells, shaping their identity and function. The researchers found that while some brain cell types remain remarkably similar across birds and mammals, others have diverged significantly over evolutionary time. This suggests that although birds and mammals developed different brain structures, certain fundamental genetic blueprints have been conserved, likely due to their crucial role in cognitive function. Understanding this regulatory code is more than an academic achievement, it has profound implications for medicine. By identifying how specific genetic mechanisms have remained unchanged over time, scientists can gain insights into how disruptions in these systems may contribute to neurological diseases. AI-driven analysis is already being used to study conditions like melanoma, and researchers believe the same approach can be applied to neurodegenerative disorders such as Parkinson's disease. This could lead to the discovery of new biomarkers for early diagnosis and even potential genetic targets for therapy. The study also highlights AI's ability to identify hidden similarities between seemingly different species. For example, certain bird neurons share regulatory features with deep layer neurons in the mammalian neocortex, the part of the brain responsible for higher cognitive functions. This finding challenges traditional views of brain evolution and suggests that some aspects of intelligence and complex behavior may have emerged independently in different evolutionary lineages. AI's ability to detect these deep genetic connections could reshape how we classify and understand the neural architecture of different species. Beyond evolution and disease research, AI-driven genetic models have the potential to transform how we study biodiversity. The research team is now expanding their work to include a wider range of species, from fish to hedgehogs and capybaras. By creating genetic maps of diverse animal brains, scientists can gain a broader understanding of how different environments and evolutionary pressures shape neural function. This knowledge could be invaluable for conservation efforts, helping to identify genetic factors that make certain species more resilient or vulnerable to environmental changes. However, these advancements also come with risks and ethical concerns. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biases in genetic databases could lead to misleading conclusions. Additionally, as AI tools become more powerful, there is a growing need for transparency in how they are used in medical and evolutionary research. Misinterpretation or misuse of genetic predictions could have serious consequences, from flawed medical treatments to ethical dilemmas regarding genetic modification. To fully harness AI's potential while minimizing risks, interdisciplinary collaboration is essential. Scientists, ethicists, and policymakers must work together to establish guidelines for responsible AI use in genetic research. Open access databases, transparent methodologies, and international cooperation will be key to ensuring that AI-driven discoveries are accurate, reproducible, and ethically sound. As AI continues to decode the genetic blueprint of the brain, its applications will only expand. Whether unlocking the mysteries of evolution, identifying new treatments for neurological diseases, or mapping the genetic diversity of life on Earth, AI is proving to be an indispensable tool for modern science. With careful oversight and responsible innovation, this technology has the power to transform our understanding of life itself.